In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert numbers to Roman numerals in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to perform the conversion. This can be any worksheet that contains numbers you'd like to display as Roman numerals. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the numbers are placed in cells A1 through A5, so we already have a simple list prepared to work with. Next, we'll create a heading for the results so everything stays organized and easy to read. Click on cell B1 and type Roman numeral. This will label the new column where Excel will display the converted values. Now it's time to enter the formula. Click on cell B2 because this is where we want the first Roman numeral result to appear. Type an equal sign, then the word Roman, followed by an opening parenthesis, the cell reference A2, and then a closing parenthesis. So the formula should read as equals Roman, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. After typing it in, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, Excel converts the number in cell A2 into a Roman numeral. The result appears in uppercase letters, which is the standard format for Roman numerals in Excel. For example, if the number is 14, Excel returns quite 14 using X, I, and V to represent that value. Once you've confirmed the formula is working, you can quickly apply it to the rest of your list instead of typing the formula again and again. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the small square known as the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle down to cell B5. Excel will automatically copy the formula to the remaining rows and adjust each cell reference for you. That means each number in column A will be converted into its matching Roman numeral in column B. This is a fast and efficient way to handle multiple values at once, especially if you're working with larger data sets. And that's it. You've successfully converted numbers to Roman numerals in Excel using the Roman formula. It's a simple built-in function, and once you know where to place it, the process only takes a few seconds.